Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is the first time me cleaning someone's engine bay for them. It came out really nice, the customer was very happy with it. So you saw me at the beginning of that clip, I turned down the pressure on my pressure washer, very crucial for when doing engine bays. And here I'm just spraying Surf X HD 10 to 1, which then I do switch to 1 to 5 for more heavier degreasing for the engine. And now you can see I'm just using a detailing brush and just agitating that dirt off the roof of the bonnet. This is the bag that I used to cover up the alternator before I started. I just thought I'd throw that in there. And now I've switched to the Surf X HD 1 to 5 to do the actual engine bay itself. Maybe a little bit overkill because it wasn't that filthy, the engine, but yeah, it is what it is. I used what I had, so... Here I used a wheel woolly as well to try and get into the places that my detailing brush couldn't reach. I may have accidentally sprayed a bit too much Surf X HD on the wheel woolly. It got very saturated in the end, but it worked. It got like in all the places that I couldn't reach before, so very glad I used that. Again, with a low pressure washer, I just rinsed it all off and it came out nicely. The first drying step that I done here was use a microfiber cloth just to get most of the water out just to begin with, and then I go in with a blower that I've got for my PC. It's a dust blower. I thought I'd use it for my car and I'm glad I did. It actually worked pretty well. Yeah, I should have taken that bag out before I started the drying process. I completely forgot it was there until I got round to drying that part of the engine. And this is the blower I was on about. I think it's called Computech or CompuCleaner, one of them. I think I paid like £37 back in the day when I first bought it. So yeah, I thought I'd use it. To dress this plastic trim, I use Carpro Pearl. This is diluted 1 to 1. Might be a little bit too concentrated, but it gets the plastic back to black and it gives that nice new look anyway, so I'm glad I used that. And this is the final result after I'd finished doing the engine. Very clean. onto these wheels. As you can see, the tires were very white, and I don't know why all of them was like that. Even after a good clean, they still turn up white. It's like they were very, very dry and had no oils in them or something. I have no idea, but I had to go over the tire walls twice because they were just so dirty. But it came out nice in the end once they were dressed and everything. I forgot to hit the record button at the start of me snow foaming, so I've already done one side of the car. This is the other side of the car, so it's a very short clip of foaming, but you will see me now just grabbing the Surface HD with a detailing brush, and again going around the car with the detailing brush and getting right in between the cracks where the wash mitt wouldn't reach. Just putting on the rest of the snow foam I had left in the bottle. This is the Wax Planet 8 and below 8. Again, I still don't remember the name of it. This is my last lot as well, so I will have to buy some more. I still got loads of Built Hamber auto foam. That's it, yeah. So I don't think I'm in any rush of buying any new snow foam just yet. But here I'm just rinsing it all off. This snow foam, like I said before, is really good in the hot days. It doesn't like run off as quick, and it gives you more dwell time and more time to go around with a detailing brush without it all drying on the paint. In with the 2-bucket method. It is what it is, you see what I do. Another rinsing video I've just cut short because you don't want to watch me rinse the car again. And the drying towel method. I am using the throw and slide drying method because it was hot that day and it's too much effort to go around with my arm and going back and forth, and it just picked up the water within one wipe anyway. So did that to the bonnet, the roof and the boot. The rest of the car I obviously used my hand and just dragged it across, and that. Very good drying towel though. And using my blower again here, just to see if I could try and get the last bit of the water pulled out of the cracks where it just carries on running down once you've dried the car. Especially the wing mirrors, they're the worst for it. I have actually got medium clay now from Built Handbar. I did use soft, but the hot weather was it was too soft for it. It would just make it really, really soft. So I've gone for the medium clay and it's pulled out quite a bit of contamination. Once I've finished claying the car, I go in with the super resin polish. This will obviously fill in some finer scratches to make them less obvious. And yeah, so I went around the whole car doing that, polishing one section, wiping it back off, and then polish another section, and do all that around the whole car. And sorry again, I forgot to hit record me doing the bonnet and the wing. I think I just started on this door. So yeah, just me putting the Built Handbar double speed wax on, and then the next clip will be me wiping it all off again around the whole car. You guys ready to see the final results of this beautiful gold Jaguar? Here it is.